Streetwear world, internets, this is a drip ejector with a flavor selective and always with that something South Carolina perspective. Today we unboxing the SpongeBob times CPFM collaboration and my box logo from last week's Supreme drop. I ordered both of them on the same day and they came in the same day. So we're going to start with the Uniqlo and then we're going to get to the Supreme. Y'all, this is that SpongeBob joint. Gray hoodie. It's kind of like, it feels like a medium weight hoodie. Not really a heavyweight, but for $50. Come on, bro. Can't beat it. And that's the thing we love about Uniqlo, bro. The prices are affordable. Come on, man. That Cactus Plant Flea Market. You know what I'm saying? It's like a puff 3D print on the letters. Y'all, the quality is pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. I'm excited to put a fit together with this one. You know what I'm saying? If you look in the background, you can see a couple of CPFM joints, you know what I'm saying, from the McDonald's drop. I also got the hoodie that Tremaine did with them as well. So yeah, I'm a fan and this is fire. All right, let's get to the Supreme. Now y'all, when it comes to this Supreme BOGO, this is what I wanted ever since the lookbook. I knew this was the #1 thing I needed from this season, y'all. And if y'all have not seen my YouTube short, bruh, it took 14 minutes to get through the queue. That was the craziest queue. That was more crazier than the Burberry BOGO release. And that was a crazy drop too. Dang, no stickers? Supreme. Okay, we got one regular BOGO sticker mid. Y'all, this is them. This is that one. The cross color Supreme BOGO. Mostly red. Now, what is crazy is I still got my red BOGO from last, I want to say last season. And it's unworn, unboxed, you know what I'm saying? So this is the completely all red one. So let's unbox this one so we can see the differences. So red on the front, brown sleeves, y'all. Blue hood and the green on the back. See, the green on the back is what sold me, because if you kind of look at it from here, it kind of got like that Gucci vibe, you know what I'm saying? That red going into that green like that, and that blue hood is so offset that kind of remind me of a Ralph Lauren hoodie, you know. And red is my favorite color, so this was a go. This was a no-brainer, but I think this was one of the least desired BOGOs, maybe why I got through. But y'all slept. But this BOGO right here, I'm telling you, 5 years from now, when people look back, this is gonna be one of those most desired joints, because this is the first one. Never forget, the first of its kind. The only thing Supreme messed up on, in my personal opinion, is they should have did all the BOGOs in multicolor and just switched it up. That would have been so much better. But you know what I mean, Supreme, they trying their best to get back to the glory years, so I'm not gonna complain. On the hood, had the year 2024. Y'all, this is fire. Stay tuned to my Instagram, because I'm definitely gonna put a fit together for this. So I had no clue that this was gonna be a try on video, but The Supreme hoodie I got in a large, and I got the Cactus Plant Flea Market SpongeBob in the XL. I will say, in my personal opinion, you want to go true to your hoodie size. As you can see, it's still a roomy fit. And honestly, it kind of remind me of my my Nike SB hoodie that I also have in gray. So yeah, I think if you go true to your hoodie size, whatever you traditionally wearing hoodies, you're gonna be straight, y'all. Y'all, bonus points if y'all made it to the end of the video. As y'all can see, y'all here to see the try on. It looks good, and I think it looks real fresh with the camo hat. I didn't even plan this, but I might have to rock it like this, y'all. As you can see, the green on the back. Y'all, this hoodie is one of the ones, and y'all slept, bruh. Luckily, resale is not that crazy, so y'all can definitely spin the block and go get that, y'all. So until the next episode, peace.